All right, guys, it's a beautiful day here in sunny San Francisco, and we have a box that says handle with care, which I think is kind of funny, because do you really need to handle this box with care? Do you? Do you really? I don't know. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I got a blade this time, which is not very safe for me to have a blade. You know what I mean, Chloe?
Safer than what you normally do.
With a screwdriver? I think a screwdriver is safer because a screwdriver just hits you, a blade cuts you. So I know, I've been reading the comments and I know you guys are missing Chloe. Where's Chloe? Chloe, can you show where you are? Chloe's right there. Oh wow, there's more than just a skateboard in here. There's many skateboards in here. Ooh, sick. You guys know about the Teak Index? Look at that. You get this little thing with it. What is this for exactly? I just realized I have no idea. See how sick that is? And then this graphic. Oh, sick. There's a very, 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 very limited number of these. When I say very, very, very limited, I mean it. So I guess this is what it's for. First try graphic. I really like how this came out. It's teak wood on top. Teak wood grip tape, and the board is super high quality, really, really nice. Boom. I like it. Oh, so this one I signed. Okay, so somebody already purchased this and this was sent to me to sign. Let me keep this very nice. Teakin, thank you for your support. Yeah, seriously though, thank you for your support. You rock. You are the absolute best. For anybody out there supporting skateboarding and skateboarder-owned skateboard brands, you guys truly are the best. Okay, the moment I have been waiting for. I love this graphic. I've been waiting for it for quite some time. It is handcrafted by PS Sticks, Paul Schmidt, 775. This is specifically the graphic and the shape that I've been skating that I love, with a little bit of a tapered tail, a little bit of a wider nose, and 775, my favorite. And boom, freedom. Freedom reigns. So I love the yellow, I love the bird, it's breaking out of the chains, super sick. So when I very, very, very first started Braille, I mean, I'm talking years and years and years ago. I want to say 15 years ago, 18 years ago, I don't even know. When was my first video? 2005, I believe, Christmas 2005. And now it would be about 19 years since I posted my first video. But when I first was like, oh, we're gonna do skateboard, specifically skateboards and skateboard related things, I did a survey. How does skateboarding make you feel? What is the feeling you get from skateboarding? And what do you like? Why do you like it so much? And the answer, the number one answer that I got on that was freedom. It gives you freedom. You know, you put down your board, you can roll, you can go anywhere, and you just have the feeling of freedom. So we did our best to capture that in a graphic, and that's what this skateboard represents. And I'm really excited to do that because, yeah, it's sort of like coming back to the very roots, the purpose of Braille skateboarding, where we started with all the tutorials and everything, which I'm very excited about. I think it's rad. I've been having a lot of fun making these videos for you guys. Okay, so I got some fresh Jessup grip, and I'm gonna slap it on this bad boy, and then we're gonna give it a skate. So to answer any questions people have about Braille skateboards, they are made from Paul Schmidt, which is, in my opinion, the best skateboard manufacturer in the world. I grew up skating Habitat skateboards in a specific era. It's like the early 2000s Habitat era. I thought they had the best boards ever. And so then later on, I didn't really know too much about wood shops or whatever. I would just buy the brand that I thought had wood that was good, and also the brand that I liked. It's funny, there's like a certain like style to different skateboard brands. So growing up, I loved Habitat. I loved even more than that PJ Ladd, who then started riding for Flip. Flip wasn't totally my thing because they just jumped down tons of stairs, but PJ was, because he's the best. You want me to clean up the space a little bit? That was the most mom thing I've ever heard. You like that better, Mom? It's like when Mom tells you to clean your room. You guys clean your room? Me neither. And you know the rule, Chloe, if you set up a brand new board and you miss the first kickflip, you have to burn the board, sacrifice it to the skate gods.
Have you actually ever done that?
No, never missed the kickflip in my whole life. Let me know what it's like though if you ever experienced that. Now, see if I can get just a nice clean cut. There's nothing better in the whole world than a nice clean cut. Not getting married, not holding your newborn child for the very first time. All those things are good, but a nice clean cut grip tape. Just kidding, obviously a joke. Wow.
Wow, you killed it.
See that? One shot. Well, somebody send this into Zoomies and see if they will hire me. I'll grip at Zoomies every day, no problem.
It's just the worst thing I've ever heard.
Is it?
I hate that noise.
Really? I love it. Yeah, it's not the best. Okay, I'm excited to set up a new board. Why, Aaron? Your old board's perfectly fine. I know, but I just want to rock this graphic. I also love graphics that are like really bright. Specifically, like this yellow is cool. This graphic is white, which is a good contrast on the black grip tape. I like it because when you do double flips, you can really tell when the board is not ready to land and really tell when it is. You know what I mean? I'm gonna have to give this board away to somebody who's basically still brand new. But I think today we're gonna give away a lot of boards, aren't we, Chloe? If anybody wants to come to the Embarcadero and get a free skateboard, come on down. Except for by the time this video is up and you see this, I might not be there, or I might be there, actually. I love this area. There's so much going on, so much life in this city, you know? And the colors are really cool. At the end of the video, I'll tell you every item on the skateboard, why I ride it.
You could probably just do that now.
Why would I do that now? I want to wait till the end, no? Okay, so I'm skating Thunder trucks, which I skate because they're light, but they also turn well. And I really like the Thunder trucks. And I've been skating them for a long time. And I feel like once you find something that you like and something that's good, why change it? You know, like my dad says, if it ain't broken, don't fix it. Thunder trucks. And these ones are hollow. So that has hollow kingpin, hollow axle. So they're lighter. And then I say something like that, then I wonder to myself, how much weight did that hollow really take off? You know what I mean? This is the most boring part. Probably should have done this prior. Usually the editor, I guess, will cut this out. So let's see who edits this. Maybe they'll cut it in. What do I want for Christmas?
Yeah.
Probably an Encyclopedia Britannica. You know what book I got the other day? George Orwell's 1984. And I thought, wow, I'm so excited to read this book. And then it came in the mail, and it was a trade paper. I swear, this book is literally like that big. You can almost not even fully see the text when you open it because it's so small, it doesn't even really open that far, you know what I mean? Yeah, I was like, dang, Amazon ripped me off $3 for this George Orwell 1984 book. Okay, this board is still very good. It's going to skateboard heaven. Yeah, I'm excited to read it, but I'm also a bit scared. Well, I asked ChatGPT to give me some instances where in George Orwell's 1984, it relates to present time, 2024, and the answers were terrifying.
Really?
Yes. This guy just literally parked his car right there. Maybe that's what I should have done. I paid like $40 to park right there. I should just pull right there. And now you gotta get a close-up of this. This is like, who does that? What kind of person?
Was there really a comment asking where I was?
Yeah, lots. We miss Chloe.
Yeah, right.
It is serious. I'm dead serious. The people love Chloe. Then I was thinking to myself, yeah, where is Chloe? I don't know why she's such a hater. Why can't she be a skater? Oh no!
Aaron!
If you guys are doing this, be very careful because I literally almost cut myself. Okay, should we do a little cutout? Okay, so this is what I think. So this is the tail, this is the nose. I flick off of there, nollie flip is that way. I very rarely nollie heel. So I don't like the cutouts where I'm flicking. Why? I don't know why. It's just a personal preference, okay? Now, the key is, here's the secret. Which truck was in front? Nope. Yes, you had 50% margin of error on that. So you know, I know, because I do a lot more nose slides. So the nose slide section of the truck right there is marked up. If I don't have my front truck in front, can't skate. May as well just give up.
Aren't they the same though?
They are the same, but like let's say this truck has been used for 100 hours or whatever it is. And the majority of the weight was on the heel side, so it's tending a little bit to one side, you see? I feel like these little points are so minuscule, but there's like one of my skater friends who's like really, really, really good, probably the best in the world. He actually has a board that's twin tail, twin nose, so it's the same on both sides. And he'll do a trick going one direction, then he'll spin his board around and do it the other way, so that his trucks never like tend towards one direction.
Huh.
Is that interesting?
Who's that?
Not gonna say. But me, I just go, yeah, tend it toward one direction, I'll get used to that, and then I just let it roll. And that's the way it rides.
I mean, Gabe must be ripped. It's not easy holding this thing.
Every time I film with Chloe, she says the same comment. Gabe must be ripped. And then I'm like, yeah, he is. He is ripped. Best skate spot in the city, right here. What's there? Flat ground. We love the flat ground though. It's funny too, because it's not even like the smoothest flat ground. It has cracks, you know, there's things wrong with it, but it is just so fun. Brand new skateboard graphic. brailleskateboarding.com. You guys can pick up this board and everything you see here at brailleskateboarding.com. Oh yeah, that's right. I was talking about my trucks. So I ride the Thunder trucks. I really like them. And then the wheels are Bones Dragon wheels. I also really like them. They're soft, but they also slide like street wheels. So they sort of skate like soft wheels, but they also skate like hard wheels. How is that possible? Good question, I have no idea. They figured it out. They're geniuses over there at Bones. So yeah, presently my favorite wheels, Bones Dragon wheels. And then the bearings, I just kind of skate whatever bearings. So right now I'm skating the Braille bearings from brailleskateboarding.com. They're doing just fine. And grip tape, I have the Jessup grip tape and the Braille skateboard deck 775, which most people right now are skating like 825. 825 is the most popular width, and people think I'm crazy for skating a 775. They say it's a toothpick. But you know, it's funny, some of my favorite skaters like Day One Song, I just saw this video of him doing a setup video, and he was like, I'm skating a 7.6. So I'm skating a 775, he was skating a 7.6. And back in the day, a lot of people skated 7.5, let alone little toothpicks. So here we go. Got that first try, and that. Straight into it or warm up?
Straight into it.
You think so? Oh, I don't know, Chloe, I'm getting too old for this.
No, you're not. We have like 60-year-olds starting.
Yeah, it's true. All right, this right here is for all the 60-year-olds out there. First try. No! No! You know what that means.
5 minutes later.
Nobody saw that. Nobody saw that at all. That was even worse.
You're just not committing.
I told you I need to warm up. I'm too old for this. First try. The thing about first try is that it's always first try. Oh, yes. Okay, good. I like it. Okay, brand new fresh grip tape, brand new fresh board. If you love the freedom of skateboarding, if you love the feeling that skateboarding gives you, and you want to just get out there and learn brand new tricks every single day, go to brailleskateboarding.com, pick yourself up a brand new board. We got everything you need to not only learn how to ride a skateboard, but we have all of the skateboard parts. Go to brailleskateboarding.com and check it out.